Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel techdev98. So today in this video I'll show you how you can block ads in Google Chrome on your Windows and Mac device. So all we need to do is open Google Chrome, type Chrome Web Store, just click on the first link and here you can just type the adblock name. So I'll give all the links in the description. So the coming to my top 5 picks of ad blockers. So first one is adblock. It's the best ad blocker. However, now it has become paid. And the next one is adblock plus. This is a completely free ad blocker. It blocks annoying ads on the web as well as YouTube ads. It blocks ads that track you, and it also blocks viruses and malware. Coming to the next ad blocker, which is ad aware ad block. This also blocks ads and trackers. It helps in whitelisting YouTube channels so you can support your favorite YouTube stars, and it has antivirus level web protection, and it also helps in doubling your browsing experience. Then there is uBlock Origin. This is a slightly complicated ad blocker as it has many filters to set. And now coming to my favorite one, which is AdGuard ad blocker, which I am currently using. So this ad blocker is one of the top rated ad blockers. It blocks ads including pop-ups. It protects your personal data. It protects you from online threats such as phishing sites and dangerous websites. It helps in speeding up loading of websites and also saves battery. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video helped you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel techdev98. Thank you.